Hi, I'm Sarah Duncan, and today on our EdTPA Close-Up series, we're going to be looking at how to plan and structure student learning in your lessons. EdTPA requires you to have 3 to 5 lessons in your learning segment. Within these lessons, you will need to organize and design them so they build on each other. Typically, this is done by the gradual release model, where the student's responsibility increases and the teacher's decreases. Since your central focus is not just one element, you'll need to think through how each of the parts of your central focus build on each other and connect throughout the learning segment. When planning this out, it's helpful to make a chart. Make a row for each of the components in your learning segment, and in each column, think through how you will logically build on and explicitly connect your elements. When you are ready to write your commentary prompt, translate your clear and logical outline into words. Describe what happens in each lesson. Don't forget how each of those different components is organized and explicitly connected throughout each lesson in your learning segment. Bold type is a great tool to use in your writing to help the scorer see how each element is present throughout your learning segment. Planning the design of your learning segment will take some time and careful thought. Go slow, be methodical, and structure everything so that your students will meet your objectives and reach mastery.